guys, and welcome back to another vlog, finally. I am so sorry that it's taken me this long to pick up my camera and vlog. I have this weird thing behind vlogging where I feel like every video that I film needs to have a purpose or a specific subject or just something that makes the video, but I feel like the whole purpose of vlogging is just to pick up the camera and take it along with you as you go. I'm just a huge perfectionist and I feel like my quality is never good enough, my editing is never good enough, and that just has been holding me back as a whole. So we're gonna try to just focus on progress over perfection, and I'm finally gonna give you guys another vlog. I don't really know what's been going on, but I feel like something has just been in the air. I have been so annoyed by my hair and my skin and just everything in my world, and I feel like it's time to get out of that. So I just had a shower, I tried to do my hair, I made one of my favorite snacks ever. This isn't really a snack. This is more like a very late lunch, early dinner. Quinn is just wrapping up some meetings, and then I think we're gonna go to the gym together. I also have yoga booked tonight, and I thought that I would just take you guys along with me. I have decided and I've committed to doing vlogmas, which is gonna be a vlog every single day in December. Kind of a crazy goal, seeing as though the last video I posted was like a month ago. But sometimes I feel like I need to be a little bit more extreme to get to where I want to go. So in order to practice and prep, I thought I would finally pick up my camera again, take you guys along with me, and we'll see what the rest of the day has in store for us. Hi. Do you want your half? It's cold because I had to let it sit.
It got a little bit soggy, but it's so good.
And exactly what we need to hit back and buys today.
True. I was thinking about back and buys.
I think next time I gotta rip up the prosciutto.
There he is. Hold on. Is that you moaning and groaning?
I was just saying it when I was like, should I grunt like that?
It's like tennis. Oh! I literally thought there was somebody playing tennis over there. Well, my yoga class started 16 minutes ago and I'm obviously still at home. Because our work days ran so much later than we thought, we got to the gym a lot later than we were expecting to, and we obviously got home a lot later than we anticipated we would. And the time it would have taken me to change, get ready for class, drive down to class, I would have been late. So instead, I canceled my class and I'm gonna just do a 30-minute yoga full body stretch here at home. You guys know that I really like to neglect my recovery. I love working out. I don't love stretching, which is why I signed up for yoga in the first place, but obviously things have changed, which is okay. We're gonna try to just go with the flow and do what we can, okay? I feel like that is like the overarching theme of this whole video is progress over perfection. Doing 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes is better than doing nothing at all, which is what I've basically done for my entire life in terms of recovery and stretching, etc. I changed into my favorite cozy sweater. I got my favorite bubbly drink, and I have my computer ready to go. So I'm gonna just take the next 30 minutes, show some love to my body, focus on recovery, and then we are going to make a really yummy dinner.
Oh my god, this is the thinnest little carrot ever. Look at you getting all chefy with it.
I don't think that I've ever done a chit-chatty get unready with me, so I figured it was about time. We are also very overdue on an updated nighttime skincare routine, so let's get into it. For the last couple of months, I have been using the Skin Fix Gentle Gel Cleanser, but I'm all out. So the last time that I went to Shoppers, I went and picked up the CeraVe SA Cleanser. I have super oily skin, so gel cleansers are a lot better for my skin type. This SA cleanser contains salicylic acid, which is really ideal to help with sebum production. It's really just supposed to help combat some of that oiliness. As you saw, for dinner, we had some steak and some potatoes, as well as some roasted asparagus and carrots. We made the potatoes, asparagus, and carrots in our air fryer. We honestly love our air fryer. We got it for Christmas, I think 2 years ago now. It's so easy to make just about everything and anything. We absolutely love our air fryer so much. Now, I actually just recently posted a morning routine, and I got a couple of questions about this bad boy. This is a skin cleanser from Foreo. I think it's their Foreo Luna 4. And again, I just have really oily, acne-prone skin, and I find that using this helps me cleanse my skin so much more thoroughly than just using my hands. Now, usually I would double cleanse, but I didn't actually wear any makeup today, and our workout at the gym wasn't crazy high intensity. Like, I honestly barely sweat. So the single cleanse is just fine today. After cleansing my face, I go in with a 2% BHA liquid exfoliant by Paula's Choice. I swear this thing is like magic in a bottle. I started using it a couple of years ago, and on nights that I do use it, I notice such a difference. I feel like I honestly wake up with glass skin, and as somebody with a lot of pores and texture and oiliness and freckles, I find that it's really difficult for me to achieve glass porcelain skin, but this stuff does it for me. I'm doing this routine right now, literally just thinking about dessert. Right before I came up here, I made my favorite dessert as of lately. It is strawberry peanut butter dark chocolate bark, and it's literally exactly what it sounds like. It is my current Roman Empire, and I cannot wait to go downstairs and munch on some of that. Once my face is dry, I then like to go in with the retinol 1% by The Ordinary. I didn't know this when I first started using retinol, but it's really important that your face is dry when you apply it, because if your face is still wet, apparently the retinol gets absorbed deeper, and you think that that is a good thing, but it turns out that it can actually just cause a lot more irritation, which we don't want. I feel like I go through these different phases where I'm like really focused on hair care and then really focused on skincare, and I swear I go down these like rabbit holes of scrolling TikTok until 3 a.m. in the morning trying to figure out my nighttime and morning time skincare routines. Anyway, when I was going through one of these rat hole situations, I started to learn about the importance of making sure that your skincare works together harmoniously, because there are certain ingredients that don't agree with other ingredients. And again, we want to try to make our skin as happy as possible. And if you mix things that are not supposed to be mixed, then that is not good. If you haven't looked into any of that with your own skincare routine, I highly urge you to. And again, I'm honestly pretty clueless when it comes to makeup and skincare. I'm trying to educate myself a little bit better. And that is definitely one of the biggest takeaways that I've gotten from looking into and researching my own skincare routine. Now, the last step in my own very simple skincare routine is obviously a moisturizer. It is the Skin Fix Skin Barrier Restoring Gel Cream. I absolutely love this stuff. I definitely went through a phase where, as somebody with really oily skin, I thought that I don't need a moisturizer, and maybe not using a moisturizer would help calm down my skin. Like, why would I put more stuff to help moisturize my skin if my skin is already so oily? But that's literally one of the biggest skincare myths in the whole wide world. And if you are in the same boat and you have oily skin, you can actually encourage more sebum production by not using moisturizer. With the help of a moisturizer like this Skin Barrier Restoring Gel Cream, we help restore and repair our skin barrier, which should help with some of that sebum production. Again, I am definitely no professional at all. I have just struggled with really oily skin for the longest time. Are you boys breaking in on my skincare routine?
Yes.
Holy.
He's excited.
Are you excited as well?
Yes.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Where's the,
You're crazy. Now my OCD is gonna go insane because the camera angle is not gonna be the same.
It's gonna be perfect.
Oh, Quincy Nelson.
It's great.
Is it so great? Do you wanna do what's your skincare routine that you're doing? To finish things off, I always like to put on my lip sleeping mask by Laneige. It's pretty crazy because I use this thing daily and have since Christmas, which is when I got it. And this is what it's looking like now. I love this stuff, and it has lasted me almost an entire year, which is insane in the best way possible. There's honestly no better feeling than doing your skincare routine after a long day. We were just downstairs watching some Outer Banks after dinner, and you know when you get into that phase where you just feel like you can feel your skin and you just need to wash off and clear off the day? That is what I was feeling. So I feel super refreshed now, very, very clean, very good. Ready to eat some dessert and then honestly get ready for bed. It's already too late. Let's have a little snacky snack and then get to bed ASAP. You do? Yeah. Do you mind taking them out? Now to finish off my day, I'm just getting a little bit more work done. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that a little bit ago, I launched my first ever private community on School. My idea behind the community was really just to create a private group chat, a safe space where girls and women who are on any part of their fitness or wellness journey could come and seek advice and support and encouragement from people who are going through the same things as them and in the same position as them. I share all of my favorite recipes, my daily workouts, and other motivational things on here. I also just put a poll out to see what time works best for everybody to do our first Google Meet workout. So every day before bed, I do try to hop on here and just post a couple of updates. It's usually the workout that I did that day, including the exact exercises and rep ranges, as well as a new recipe or anything else that's kind of on my mind. Again, it's very early days. I'm still unsure of where I'm going to take it all, but I just knew that I wanted to create a safe space where people could get a hold of me directly. I've also done a couple of one-on-one calls with some of the girls in my community, which is so amazing. If any of this at all interests you, I would love for you to be a part of this community and to join. I will obviously make sure to have all of the details linked down below.
below. I just posted the very simple recipe for my strawberry chocolate peanut butter bark, and now I'm gonna post my workout of the day. Once I post this, I'm going to go upstairs and get ready for bed. It is so late, but while we're here, I do think I'm gonna clock out of this video and wrap up this vlog. I am so glad that I finally picked up this camera again. Like I mentioned, I really am committed to doing vlogmas, and I think in order to prep myself, I need to make sure that I am practicing and I am picking up this camera and I am vlogging so much more of my days. It's funny too, because every single time that I pick up the camera, I have so much fun and I'm so excited about the process of vlogging that I don't know why I fall off literally every time. But maybe this time will be different. Anyway, if you are still here, I really appreciate you for watching. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are interested in my community, please come and join that. And I hope you guys have an incredible rest of your day. I will see you guys all in the next video.